I'm going to do what the fuck I want, and and if that means we lose our money and you fuck off and leave me, well, you shouldn't have been with me in the first place, should you? But my rule was just always very simple, that my work is my work, and I will never discuss. I don't mean I'll never discuss work with you, but I'll never debate money with you. Because when things are good, you can have what you want, but I'll take the risks that might mean we'll have nothing. And you don't get a say in the fact of whether or not I'm risking the fact that we've got nothing, because it was me that let you have a great time when we had a great time. So I'm going to go and take those risks. And what I always see it a lot with businesses who come to me for funding, for example, where they might need to give a second charge on a house or put up some kind of family asset where the wife would need to consent to them doing that. I say wife for sexist reasons, could be the other way around. But that partner then doesn't allow them to do it. Which then then materially inhibits that business moving forward. But they wouldn't even be living in that house if it wasn't for the risk that the partner's taken. My view, and it has always been for me, I'm going to do what the fuck I want, and and if that means we lose our money and you fuck off and leave me, well, you shouldn't have been with me in the first place, should you? Because you were probably here for the wrong reasons. But you've probably got a more pragmatic and fair answer to that.